If you have a low quality, blurry or pixelated image, this video is for you. In this tutorial, I'll show you an amazing AI tool called Aiarty Image Enhancer that can instantly improve image quality with just one click. It sharpens details, removes noise, and makes your images look crisp and high resolution. Let's get started. This is the homepage of Aiarty. From here, simply click on this arrow to add your images. Now take a look at this image. It is quite low resolution and blurry. So let's enhance it. First of all, if you have a good GPU, select it, otherwise you can choose CPU. After that, click on AI models and select Details GAN V3. Now change the upscale size to 8K for the best possible result and enable past processing. Once the upscaling is done, the result will look like this. Just look at the details Aiarty has restored. The improvement is very impressive and the image looks much sharper and clearer. We also have an AI eraser which helps us remove acne and pimples from the face. To do that, simply select Detail Gen 3 and upscale it to 4 times. After that, click on AI eraser and enable it. Then click on Edit Mask. Select the brush and adjust the brush size. Now simply tap on the pimples one by one. Once you are done, click on Apply. Within minutes, the pimples and acne will be removed like magic. Now look at the result. It removes the pimples as if they were never there. Finally, click on Export to save the image. Next, let's enhance the face details. Again, all the settings stay the same. I simply open the Face Restoration tab, enable it and click on Start. And here is the final result. Just look at the details on the lips, the skin texture and the overall quality. Everything looks very clean and sharp. To export the images, click on Export Settings. From here, you can select different formats, DPI, and choose where you want to save your images. Then simply click on Export. If you want to export all images at once, just select all the images and click on Batch Export. You can try Aiarty for free, and if you want to upgrade, the yearly plan costs $75. But the lifetime license is absolutely crazy, only $100 for lifetime access and updates. On top of that, you also get 3 months free access to their image matting and video toolkit. This is an amazing deal, so definitely give Aiarty a try. The link is in the description.